Next, fourth part is carriage. Carriage reciprocates between live center and dead center. That is between headstock and tailstock in this way. This total is carriage. Now carriage has four different parts. One is tool post. Second one is compound rest. Third one is cross slide. Fourth one is saddle. And fifth one is apron. Tool post, compound rest, cross slide, saddle and apron. Among that, first we will observe tool post. Cutting tool is fixed on this tool post. Tool post have four different kind of tool post. Single screw tool post, 4 screw tool post, open screw tool post and 4-way tool post. Among that we have open screw tool post. Tool is clamped over here up and down to increase its height. We can put metal strips under it. Tool is fixed with that, and with the help of these bolts the tool is fixed and we are ready to work on it. In this way tool post works. The second part is compound rest. This is called compound rest. With the compound rest, taper turning can be conducted. Now if you observe over here we got degree graduations. We can set this compound rest at given angle, and taper turning means conical job will be done with the help of compound rest. With this handle, feed also is given parallel to axis. Feed is given to the tool, but it has got limitations. We can't move much. Little feed will be given with the help of this handle to the compound rest. Our next part is cross slide. With the help of cross slide, we can move tool perpendicular to axis of bed. In this way, depth of cut will be given with cross slide. Here also dial is there, graduations are there. How much deep we want to take, that can be set according to this dial, and the depth of cut will be set with the help of cross slide. Next part is saddle. This is the H-shaped part. With the help of saddle only, this complete assembly reciprocates between headstock and tailstock. For saddle, here we got a dial. We can reciprocate according to our need with the help of dial. Last part is apron. Here the apron part is. You can see so many levers over here. Apron is generally used for automatic movement. During thread cutting, apron is used. So in this way, this total compound rest contains tool post, carriage, cross slide, saddle and apron.